While countering the recent activities of the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Party, the BJP MLA of South Shillong Constituency and Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shullai said that the promises made by the TMC through the Financial Inclusion of Women Empowerment Scheme or the MYE Card and the Financial Inclusion for the Youth of Meghalaya through the Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Scheme or MYE Card is all about fooling the people of the state. He further said that the people of Meghalaya are wise enough not to fall trap to such schemes of the TMC, which are but false promises.
Itu gini kam kai sudah kam election. Ulah dengan ai sudah kala, dengan gaya kebukulan mu ai sudah sudah election. Sensitif bija aja na. Lajar election pin ai di lob card, di MYE card, di MYE card, di P card, di kam thak sudah itu. Tu pun bah ulah dengan susu. Mereka ni kam thak dengan TMC. Kadang-kadang mereka benggol. Hilapan thok sebengol. Buat apa Meghalaya kita bagian kita menjadi masyarakat, kita numpang yang kami ini kita kular thok.